Hello everyone, I am Bindeshwar from PosstNetwork Academy, and as you can see the title Introduction to Python Programming, I will discuss about what is a program, what is Python programming, and I will discuss some programs. So let's get started. So basically, first of all, I will discuss about what is a program. So a program is sequence of instructions that a computer can execute. So let us understand what does it mean. So sequence of instructions means you have used any programming language and you have written programs like first line, second line, third line, fourth line. These are some commands. Command 1, command 2, or instruction 1, 2, 3, 4. And one by one, a Python interpreter, or you can say that it will read and execute. So sequence of instruction, computer can execute. So basically you will require a programming language to write sequence of instructions and a software that will execute. So hope you understood the program. And what does a program do? It helps to automate tasks and solve problems. Automate tasks means suppose that you have many tasks and you have to do it manually. But what will Python do? Python will link them, and one task is executed, another task will start executing without your intervention, and finally it will give the output. And solve problem is, it may be mathematical, real life problems that require computation. So Python can do, or any programming language can do, or so you have to write a program to automate tasks and solve problems. And what a program consists? So statements executed in sequence, as I have explained earlier. Now, what is Python? So you can see that Python is a snake, but basically it is a circus name. Developer of Python kept in the name of a circus. So his name was Guido van Rossum, and he released this programming language in 1991. And basically he was developing, you can say that, programs to automate his tasks. But you can see that as a byproduct, he got a great programming language we are using for almost all walks of software development. Now it is used in web development, AI, data science, and game development. Now, what is a Python programming? So basically Python programming involves writing scripts using Python programs, Python syntax. If I say Java programming, so Java programming means it involves writing programs using Java language, the same way. Now see that Python is very popular, but two things are very important: its simplicity and readability. No programming language can beat it, I can think, in my personal view. So see that, very simple compared to others. That way it has become very popular. And also it has rich libraries and great community support. It supports object-oriented, procedural, and even functional programming. So all kind of programming paradigms it supports. Now let us see a simple program, hello world. Print, this is the output function in Python, and inside if you write anything in double quotes, so it will send on monitor. And you can see that in Java and C++ if you have learned, so you have to write at least 4 or 5 lines of code to print simple hello world, but in Python only one. Simplicity, you can say that. Printing expressions, so 5, 3 plus 2, directly you can print, that would be 11. Now let us see another. So here A is referring to 10, B is referring to 5, and here basically it is an expression. So 5 into 10, 10 into 5 plus 2, that will become 52, and that would be refers by C, and you have written C inside print function, so this will print 52 on console. These are the simple programs of Python. I will write and execute these programs also in future. Now see that these are the domains where Python programming is heavily used. AI, data science, machine learning, NLP, computer vision. And for your information, I would like to inform that I have also started machine learning lecture series. You can also follow, and you can get benefit from there. And I will also, there is theoretical and practical both I will explain. So Python I will also explain there in the context of machine learning. These are the references I have taken from. So in upcoming videos I will explain Python programs, its structure, its applications, libraries, how to make libraries, how to develop softwares, and you can get benefited from these things if you follow on Facebook, LinkedIn, and you subscribe my YouTube channel. So hope you have understood these concepts and you will also support me. So once again I will tell you, subscribe on YouTube, follow on Facebook, also follow PosstNetwork Academy page on LinkedIn. So thanks for watching the video.